Understand now? Okay, so now we learn another question word. So, for example, how to say I'm Chinese, or I'm Italian, or I'm from Pakistan. How to say? So, for example, say 我是中国人. Okay, this I'm Chinese, right? So here, 国 means country. So 国 means country. That's why 中国是 China. Then you add 人是 people. That's why I say 我是中国人，他是意大利人，他是巴基斯坦人，他是英国人 right? That's why we add 人 means I am this country is people. Yes. So 国 is a country. So like 我是中国人 Okay. So then how to ask this question means like where are you from, or means who, like what nationality are you, right? That's English. So for this one, then how to ask a question. Okay, so now another question word use 哪. So which. This means which. So 哪. Before we learn how to say this one, 这个 how to say that one? 那个 Yes, so that is 那个 It's 4 tones, okay? That's why 是那个 But this one 是哪 Yes, different, okay? So before we learn, it's 那个 something means that something, okay? So it's different. This one 是那 but this one 是哪 Yes. So 哪 third tone, also different character. Character later we will learn. So 哪 is question, means which. If you say 那 means that. So now let's make a question. For example, say this one 我是中国人. So if you say which country are you from? Yes. So then repeat, copy. Then just say 你是哪国人 Yeah. So this is the question. Which country? One more time. Copy. The same structure, right? Yes. So it's talk about 你. So 你是哪国人? Answer. 我是中国人. Right? Ask nationality. Yes. Then how to ask your friend if you meet so how to ask your friend from where? Which nationality? How to say? 你的朋友 Yeah. So 你的朋友是哪国人 Yes. Okay. Here, this one use 国 because means which country. That's why use 国. But we say 哪 means which. So this one more flexible and open. Now let's practice 哪 how to use. If which something, if something, then you 哪个 Okay, for example, if English, I have to speak English because let you understand, okay? For example, say, which coffee is yours? That's English, okay? Use picture. How to say? So there are many coffee. So, hello, which one is yours? How to say?
나가 카페시 나
Again. Picture, huh? So there are many coffee. Then I ask, hello. I say, which one is yours? Which one is yours? Which one is yours?
나 카페 시야다.
Yes. Yes. So 哪个咖啡是你的 ？Not 谁的，你的 ，right? Yes. So 哪个咖啡是你的 ？Then you say 这个咖啡是我的 ，right? Again, picture, right? Okay, now